Welcome to Cooking with Cousins. I'm Khalees.
I'm Cam.
And I'm Devin.
Today we're going to be making patties.
Sausage patties. But, comment down below if y'all like this or not, if y'all want us to make another video. Another banger. Let's try to get to 100 likes.
Yes. And
100,000 actually. 100,000 guys. Yeah, 100 likes. Just 100 likes for now.
You're going for 5 likes today. 5 likes. Woo!
And please support us. Please put a plate. Please support us. Because like. Yeah.
Bro, don't burn yourself.
I got shot.
So, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down when you are.
Hey, Auntie Sarai, this is our first cooking channel. This is Khalees. This is Cameron, like you already know, and that's me.
Okay. So,
I don't want to get popped. Yeah,
so today this is our
yeah, we're good.
Let me get.
okay. Don't do that, bro. Just so you know, don't try this at home without parental supervision.
Ow.
Oh my God, you flipped it. You flipped it.
Yeah. If y'all like more of these, if y'all want more of these videos,
Make sure to follow, like, and comment.
and check out our TikTok. It's DevTheDude09.
And ours is will be linked down below. Okay. So the patties are getting grilled by our esteemed chef, Devin.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to take this time. We're going to take this time to tell you more about ourselves.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go first. Cam, I'm gonna go first. Okay. Cam, my name is Khalees. I'm 10 years old. I'm in the 5th grade, and my favorite TV show / anime is My Hero Academia. Okay, go.
Okay, my name is Cameron. I'm 8 and I'm in 3rd grade, and my favorite thing to do all day is game.
Your turn, Devin.
I'm Devin and I'm 11. I'm in 4th grade and my hobby is gaming.
Yeah. So yeah, now you know more about yourself. Oh yeah, my favorite hobby is doing art.
My other hobbies is still gaming.
They're gamer boys. By the way, maybe later in the video, you'll get to see my brother Nick if he comes. Okay.
Alright. We need that sea salt, the best salt of the world.
Oh yeah, so from our chef, the best salt to put on the patties when you get done with them is sea salt and regular salt. Don't forget that pepper.
I already put pepper in.
And pepper. Yeah. Okay, so our goal for this year is for us to get to 100 or 1,000 followers. Don't forget to follow us on our other.
If we get to 100 subscribers, we will give this away to y'all.
A Fast and Furious
RC
car.
I'm gonna show you right now. It's a Here's the remote right now. And then here it is right here. We'll give it away if y'all can get to 100,000 subscribers. No, 100 subscribers, I mean. And it's also, if we do, we will give away.
I'm keep getting burnt, so that's why I'm really not in the camera.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Here somewhere.
Also, y'all can win one of these skateboards.
Yeah, they're really fun to play with. So,
Okay? Yeah.
okay. Right now we're gonna give out shout outs. School. Dang. Okay, shout out to Miss Barnestock and Clubview Elementary. Best school ever. Cam, say your teacher and your school name. The shout out. Okay, now it's time for our special guest. No, fitness. Come on. Special guest, Nicholas Roberts. Yeah, he's my brother. Okay, he's 8-year-old. He's in the 2nd grade. And his favorite hobby is watching TV. Okay, go.
Why did you go down there?
Yeah. What was that for? We want you. Just wanted for you to be in the video today, bro.
Oh, we good.
No pay.
The sausages are done now.
Sausage.
And we'll ask Gabby to go see if they taste really good.
Yeah, so,
Come on.
listen. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to taste them. We're going to have to split one because there's 3 of us. Somebody get up. Somebody knife. No, I'm going to get my own. I'm the girl. It makes total sense. Oh, yeah.
Can't get his own.
That's not fair. What?
He said he wanted.
Here. I want my own. Okay.
Y'all ate eggs.
Ha.
Ah, it hurt. I burned my teeth.
Yeah, because it's burnt. Because it just came out. Okay. So, everybody get it? Get one.
Ate a fork.
I already ate mine.
My toes.
I haven't. Okay, we gotta wait for him.
I put a little bit of salt on here, but I haven't. Like, I didn't taste the salt or pepper.
Okay, so. Okay, and 3.
I just stole my pizza.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
This is really good.
Salt.
This tastes really good. Maybe you should let it cool down. You should let it cool down after you eat it.
Yeah, that's why I'm keep hitting my chest down. That's so
It's not a mukbang, bro. It's a mukbang. Oh my god. Okay. Really good. So, this is the part where we're gonna show you all of our things. So, yeah. Now we're going to show you the end of the crew in case you forgot. So it's me,
Cameron.
Nick,
Okay, hopefully this time we've still got enough speed to make this next jump. Yeah, definitely not.
and Devin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment when you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye.